Hello, everyone. Welcome back to some English. Hooray! All right. Um, Today is activity 4.7. It starts on page 310. This is exploring theme. I wonder where theme comes up. Interesting. Maybe we can do this one today. Oh, we'll see. Okay. All right, let's go back. So, there's a theme throughout the next poem, okay? Um, we're going to analyze it answering questions, but we're not going to do the paragraph. I wanted you to just pay attention to how the theme works, okay? One thing, notice the lack of punctuation. Doesn't mean isn't any punctuation, there's just very little of it. Make note of places where you would typically add punctuation, just such as a comma, a question mark, or a period. Okay, so it's not that there isn't, it's that there's um, not as much as you're used to. All right, so let's see. So this is Hanging Fire by Audre Lorde. Audre Lorde has passed away. She was a poet and essayist, meaning there are people who just write essays. And I know you guys hate to write essays, but some people make a living off writing essays. They analyze things and they write an essay and it gets published. Okay. Her first poem was published in 17 magazine while she was in high school. So this is all to inspire you. Maybe someone out there likes to read all of this stuff and wants to write. You can get published. Just keep practicing. Okay. So this is called Hanging Fire by Audre Lorde. I am 14 and my skin has betrayed me. The boy I cannot live without still sucks his thumb in secret. How come my knees are always so ashy? What if I die before the morning comes and Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed? I have to learn how to dance in time for the next party. My room is too small for me. Suppose I die before graduation. They will sing sad melodies, but finally tell the truth about me. There is nothing I want to do and too much that has to be done. And Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed. Nobody even stops to think about my side of it. I should have been on the math team. My marks were better than his. Why do I have to be the one wearing braces? I have nothing to wear tomorrow. Will I live long enough to grow up? And Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed. So one thing, there are periods here and there. One there, one there. Notice when that happens, but that there's no period here. Okay? Pay attention to that. All right, so now we're going to answer these questions. It's only 3. This one's a short one. All right, so activity 4.7. What is the relation? What relationship does the speaker have with her mother? That goes back to where the periods end. Okay, let's go back. Let's see, and Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed, period, right? It's like, what if I die before the morning comes? Let me go down. There is nothing I want to do and too much that has to be done, and Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed, period. I have nothing to wear tomorrow. Will I live long enough to grow up? And Mama's in the bedroom with the door closed. So think about what you believe this person is going through because something is happening throughout. But then they mentioned her mom is always in the bedroom with the door closed. So what do you think the relationship is with the mother? And then now with that, that will help you answer this question. What do you think the theme of this poem is? Okay, look at the age, um, the stuff that they mention about um, graduation, dying, um, stuff that's happening in school. There's a lot of stuff happening. And what is the tone of the poem? So, what is the author's attitude? Okay, that's what you have to think about. Author's attitude. I can't type right now. Attitude. All right. And then now that we talked about theme, go back to activity 4.3 and add evidence for the theme row. And as I mentioned, theme. Okay? Theme. Yay. Um, get a line from the poem that you think has to do with the theme of it and explain it. And then you're going to write your own lines from a poem that you wrote. Maybe that has a theme to it. Go back to your other poems. Okay? You may not have realized that you wrote a poem that has tremendous themes to it. Okay? Alrighty. So that's 4.7 for now. Considering that most of you are doing the computer science things, I think that this is the only one we are going to do this week. Okay? Just a few questions. All right? Alrighty. See you soon.